Professor Aaron Mushengezi, Vice Chancellor wa Uganda Christian University, ayorekera okushemererwa ahabwa omukago ogu kandi agizire ngu gwizire omubwire burungi okujanjaza enjiri ekwatirine n'eby'abajurizi ba Uganda.
It is right and fitting that we partner with Vision Group because UCU believes in being a center of excellence in the heart of Africa. And we know in this country that Vision Group is a center of excellence in media. It's one of the respected media organizations in this country. They have a track record of telling the news as it is and also telling the story as it is. And so we believe that with Vision Group on board, you'll be able to initiate a number of story packages that will tell the story of the matters from different angles. The stories, the normal stories in the newspapers, the video stories, and other aspects of the matters there.
Omundagaano ekozirwe amakuru nigaza kujanjazibwa ha mikutu ya Vision Group yona erimu TV West, Radio West, Bukede, New Vision n'eyindi.
Ekyo tuli basanyu okuba nga tusayininga ekiwandiiko ekitugatta mu nkola eno naye tugambye nti si kulwa abajulizi bokka naye n'oluvannyuma nga biwedde tujja kuteekako emikono ekiwandiiko ekirala ekigenda okuba nga kiraga enkolagana yaffe nga bw'eneebeera n'okweyongerayo mu byenjigiriza mu by'okulaakulanya eggwanga.
Mukuru wa Vision Group Don Innocent Wanyama atabarukiza Uganda Christian University ahabwa okutoranwa kutebeekanisa okushabisa aha kiro ky'abajurizi ahabwa omwaka ogu.
Breaking the walls. I think this in a way is already a way of breaking the walls as we bring together a leading academic institution partnering with a leading media organization, joined by faith but also for service of man. This partnership matters to us because, as you all know, June 3rd is not just a national but a global moment where we draw millions of pilgrims. On behalf of the Vision Group, we really want to congratulate Uganda Christian University for having been chosen to organize this year's commemoration at the Anglican site.
Wanyama hona jirengu Vision Group na ija kukoresa mikutu yayo lijo nka digital billboards eriyo mu ihanga ryona kandi baza no kutaha empaka z'ebyeshongoro by'abajurizi ezayese National Matters Carol Festival.
Also want to use this opportunity to notify our audiences out there that beyond the coverage of Matters Day, we have what is known as the National Matters Choral Festival, which will be like a build-up to the D-Day. Here we shall be bringing together leading church and school choirs that will be participating in a choral festival as a build-up to the Matters Day. We shall be, as we work with UCU, we shall be letting you know the details of how you can participate and what you stand to gain by being a part of that.
Orukuru ruchiko rukutebeekanisa mu college Professor John Chitayimbwa na wasimire company ya Vision Group ahabwa omukago ogu kandi najangu Vision Group niera ebembere mu kutuya amahuriro yona erikuza kuhereza amakuru gokoramaga na mugongo. Omukoro gushyikiroho nabibe kwerinda kandi baraganise kuma abantu n'ebintu byabo aha kiro cy'abajurizi. Gasha kwa Sengendo Abdukarim.